How do I identify and fix a car with an exhaust system problem? Identifying and fixing exhaust system problems in a car is important for both vehicle performance and environmental reasons. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you identify and address exhaust system issues. Identifying exhaust system problems. Listen for unusual noises. Unusual noises coming from the exhaust system can indicate a problem. Listen for hissing, popping, rattling, or loud exhaust sounds. Check for smoke or steam. Excessive smoke or steam coming from the tailpipe can be a sign of an issue. Black smoke may indicate a rich fuel mixture, white smoke could be coolant entering the exhaust, and blue smoke might suggest oil burning. Inspect the exhaust pipe. Visually inspect the exhaust pipe for damage, such as rust, holes, or visible leaks. A damaged pipe can cause exhaust gases to escape prematurely. Look for rust or corrosion. Rust or corrosion on the exhaust system components, including the muffler and pipes, can weaken them over time. Check for rust and corrosion, especially in areas with harsh weather conditions. Check the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter helps reduce emissions. If it's faulty, you may experience reduced engine performance or a lit check engine light on your dashboard. Feel for vibrations. Excessive vibrations in the vehicle, especially while idling or accelerating, can be a sign of exhaust system problems, such as a loose or damaged component. Addressing exhaust system problems. Safety first. Ensure that the vehicle is safely parked on a level surface, the engine is off, and the parking brake is engaged. Diagnose the issue. If you're not sure about the problem, it's best to consult a professional mechanic or use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. The scanner can help pinpoint issues with sensors, including those related to the exhaust system. Repair or replace damaged components. If you find rust, holes, or damaged components in the exhaust system, they may need repair or replacement. Depending on the extent of the damage, you may need to replace sections of the exhaust pipe, the muffler, or the entire system. Address the catalytic converter. If your catalytic converter is faulty, it's essential to replace it. A malfunctioning catalytic converter can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Tighten loose components. If you notice loose clamps, bolts, or brackets, tighten them to secure the exhaust system. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Address engine performance issues. If you're experiencing engine performance problems in addition to exhaust issues, consult a mechanic to diagnose and repair the underlying engine problems. Regular maintenance. To prevent future exhaust system problems, consider regular maintenance, including checking for rust, corrosion, and loose components during routine inspections. Professional inspection. If you're unsure about diagnosing or fixing exhaust system issues, or if the problem is complex, it's advisable to seek the expertise of a qualified automotive technician or mechanic. Remember that addressing exhaust system issues promptly is important not only for vehicle performance but also for reducing harmful emissions. Neglecting exhaust problems can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, increased pollution, and more significant repair costs down the road.